My darlings, let me tell you guys, there is money in food business. And I mean every single word I just said. There is so much money if you have the stamina to cook, if you have the good skills, I mean good cooking skills to cook mouth-watering meals, then my sister, you have no reason to be broke. I mean, you can't be broke and be lazy, eh? With a good cooking skills, no now, mbano, or diroma like that. So my darlings, in this video, I'm going to show you guys step-by-step recipe of how I prepared this yummy mouth-watering meal. And of course, I'm also going to do a detailed breakdown of how much I spent to cook that party jollof rice. And towards the end, we would definitely do a profit calculations of how much you can make as your profit from doing what? From cooking food. I mean, from selling food. There is money in food business. Let me say this at how much? This at how much? How you find this money?
7.5. Thank you.
How much you want to give this one last? Then market strong. This one big to for person for party place. Now party rice.
Yes, now.
How many pieces they come out? So you guys, this is the fish. I'm going to show you guys everything I got from the market, of course. This size of fish gave me 32 pieces. That is excluding the head, okay, the fish head. So that's to say in total I got 40 pieces. But I didn't, put the head of the fish for anyone in the party pack. That was consumed by moi, okay? So this is the fresh tomato I got. Now, a mold of fresh tomato was sold at 4,000 naira. When I say a mold, I'm referring to this Derica tin can, okay? This is sold at 4,000 naira because this rainy season tomato is a bit expensive. Now that's to say if you're buying a full custard rubber it's 8,000 naira. Now one of the nylon is one custard rubber and then the other one is a mold, okay, and I used the mold, okay, for the party jollof rice. The other one was for my house, okay. So now this is the garlic and ginger. Everything here is about 1,500. So the garlic, I got garlic at 500 naira, and then the ginger is 1,000 naira, and then I got this shumbo pepper at 1,500 naira for that size, and then I got scotch bonnet pepper at 500 naira. Now my darlings, let's start cooking. So as you can see in the plate is sliced onion, some ginger, garlic, fresh scotch bonnet pepper. I grinded them together, or blended them together rather, to marinate the fish. Now you guys, this is the night before the day I actually cooked the jollof rice. So yeah, I did the marinating of the fish overnight because I wanted it to stay long, I mean as long as 6 hours, okay, so everything will marry together. All the ingredients will marry together and give the fish the taste that I actually want. Okay, so I added salt to taste, and also I added seasoning cubes. So yeah, and then I gave it a good mix, and that was it, guys. And the next day I did the proper cooking. So here I washed the tomato and I sliced it. My darlings, I always open up tomato before steaming it. Yes, I don't just wash and put it in the pot. No matter how fresh tomato looks, please ensure you cut it open to be sure that you won't find any bad one, or you won't cook with a bad tomato rather. So this is me adding all the ingredients to the steaming pot to the steaming fresh tomato pot. So I added the onions, I added the shombo pepper, I added ginger and garlic. Every single ingredient used in making this jollof rice is natural ingredients. Oh my goodness, natural, all natural, and the taste was mind-blowing. So please keep watching, my darlings. Before I continue talking, kindly check if you've liked this video at this point. If you've not, give it a big thumbs up. I mean, give it a massive thumbs up. Support me, like this video as it helps my channel grow. And if you're new here, please do subscribe. Kindly subscribe and join Becky the Mommy's YouTube family. Keep watching.
Heat waves welters on. Start their prowl. I'm doing up my hair. Can't wait to get there, 'cause I'm ready now to feel your full on power next to me. I'm wearing black and I'm ready to see if you can crack my little boy mystery. 'Cause where I want you to be tonight is cozy and close to me. Shoulder straps so thin, hair falls on my skin. Little makeup on, it's only you I want, 'cause
So guys, now let's do the cost estimate of everything that I spent in cooking this food. I actually spent a total sum of 50,000 naira, and that's inclusive of the party plate that I use in packing this party rice. I will list the price of every single item in the description box or in the comment section. Okay, just look down and you will definitely find it. Okay, so now, in a standard Nigerian restaurant, a plate of jollof rice comprises of, the food, which is the jollof rice, the plantain, protein of your choice, either fish or chicken, goes for 4,500 to 5,000 naira. I mean, some restaurants sell a portion of rice at 1,000 to 2,000 naira. So to get a plate like this, I mean, I'm portioning 3 spoons in a particular plate. So to get a full plate like this, you're looking at 3,000 naira thereabout. And the fish size that I use goes for 1,500 naira, and plantain 4 pieces goes for 500. So now, does that make sense? So yes, this full plate of rice with everything inside of it would go for 5,000 naira. And 5,000 naira times the 20 plates that I served, that would give us 100,000 naira. Now that's to say I'm making a profit margin of 50,000 naira. That's if I was to sell this food. Now, does that make any sense? I would like to hear your opinion in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you.